Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 19th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we are definitely reacting to this area right here, which is a pretty clear area of resistance. It also lines up with the 61% Fibonacci retracement. We definitely did make an engulfing move to the downside also. So it's hard to tell whether or not this is just going to keep on going up like that, or whether we are actually going to end up making a pullback to this whole move, maybe something like this. Because of the euro dollar and the dollar index, I think that there's a good chance that we might get a little bit of a pullback, maybe a crutch into the whole move up. Or if this is actually going to turn into a much more complex pattern like a WXY, it could possibly make a much bigger move to the downside. So keeping that in mind, going down to the 1 hour time frame, to be honest, the best thing I would do right now is put my Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here. Because if the market is going to continue down on the daily, then this move up on the 1 hour should just be a pullback to this last wave down. So watch out for a three-wave pullback up to a Fibonacci level. If you get a nice three-wave pullback up to a Fibonacci level and a nice engulfing move to the downside, I would definitely take it as a short. Hopefully, while we learn and earn whether this is just a pullback to the daily time frame uptrend or whether it turns into a much bigger move to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.